guys, we're gonna finish off part 2 of this video here, and this kind of concludes the end of the trip. Hope y'all have enjoyed it and can't wait to get out there again. So this is gonna be that same hunt from the end of the last video with Chip, and you can see him going point up on top of this hill right here, and we have a horrible wind. The wind's kind of blowing from him to the left, and you'll see him kind of working these birds, and he just gets a little bit too close to them because of the wind.
Yeah. Where did those birds come from? We haven't busted a covey that ran this way, have we?
So at this point of the night, we were just kind of trying to make our way back to the truck before it got dark so we could set up camp, and I guess Chip just hadn't had enough, and go up here, he locks up, but one single gets up, and then the rest of the covey gets up about 40-50 yards away. Pretty proud of Chip because last year he would have definitely bumped these birds. You got too close to him, but you could see him right here. He's working these birds and really taking his time and tracking them and being a little bit more methodical than how he used to be in the past. He would bump birds. I don't necessarily think he was meaning to in the past, but his nose would get the best of them.
Hey, right there. That's birds right there. Maybe not. Look at him. Huh? Yeah. Had a boy. Chip here. There might be a couple more. Hold it. Give it.
So this is going to be the last day of the hunt right here. We started out with Dakota's dog Buck. It's his younger dog. He put on an absolute show for us and let us shoot some birds over him. So it was a good time, and then I ended up running Clyde later that afternoon to finish it off. So you can see right here, he's a little ways off of us, and he's just got his nose up and just kind of catwalking up this hill right here. And you can tell he's got birds, like there's birds in the area. He gets up here to the top of this hill, points, and these birds just don't even give him a chance.
Dakota.
So we kept on walking a little bit further, and Dakota got a notification that buck went on point up over this hill.
Right there. Get that one. Ah.
Good boy, buddy. Good dog. Got one right here.
I didn't hit it.
Good boy. Good boy. Right here. Right here. Come here. Hey. Bring me here. Bring me here, buddy. Good boy. Great. You were 100 yards away. Let me help you.
This right here is one of the prettiest points of the whole trip. We walk up, buck's on point up on top of this hill, with the horizon in the background. It's just beautiful.
Killed three out of that one. Hey, poop all up in here. Good job, man. That was cool. I doubled. I shot two.
One they were flying through. Come here, my guy. Boy. Boy. Right here. Drop. Drop. I got that thing breasted out from hitting this rock.
Then there should be one over there.
Come here, buddy.
They're eating this green stuff, man. This crop is full of green.
Dead bird.
So this is going to be the last walk of the day and of the whole trip right here with Clyde. It was just me and him out there. It was kind of raining a little bit, and pretty proud of him because he goes up over this hill and runs, 350, 360 yards, and I get a notification that he's on point. And you can see right here, it takes me a while to get to him, and I'm really proud of him for holding these birds and hanging in there for me. He starts working them a little bit, and you can tell they're running on him, but I left all of it in there so y'all can kind of see the whole thing.
Whoa. Atta boy. Catch it up. Here. Clyde, here. Here. Clyde, here. Atta boy. Here. Here.